Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to try a new dish, and it's poppy seed chicken. It sounds delicious and it sounds easy, and I hope you'll like this recipe, and I hope we will too. So I hope you're having a great and wonderful day, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need the equivalent of a whole chicken cooked. You can boil it, bake it, or you can even get a rotisserie chicken. I just used them. I had about 4 chicken thighs and a couple of boneless chicken breasts, and I just cooked that. You'll need 8 ounces of sour cream, which is about a cup, a can of cream of chicken soup, 36 Ritz Crackers, a half a cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of poppy seed. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I've taken my chicken off of the bone and everything, and I put it in the bottom of my dish. You want about a 8 by 11 dish, somewhere around there. In a different bowl, I'm taking my sour cream and my soup, and I'm mixing that together, and I'll pour that over my chicken. Be sure to evenly spread it over the top of all of your chicken. Now you want to take your Ritz Crackers and crumble them into your melted butter. And then you want to add your poppy seed to that as well. And just give it a good mix and sprinkle it over the top of your chicken mixture. Now you'll want to bake this for about 30 to 35 minutes. Well, here it is. Let's give this thing a try. That's really, really good. I really like this. It's got that creamy comfort food type feel. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. They suggested serving this over rice, and I bet that would be great. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.